MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news via video media.
Matthias, thank you very much for the invitation to Hella UK. Marvellous facility, you're manufacturing machines here. Could you tell me what Hella represents in the UK and what the future holds?
First of all, Mark, thanks for visiting us here at our facility in Redditch, which is one of Hella's global production plants. Well, we are now present in the UK for 40 years. And I'm very proud to say that for the majority of the time, we have produced one of Hella's product lines here in the UK, which is the H-medium machine. At the moment, we are looking obviously as usual for continuous improvement. We want to engage more in lean manufacturing processes, get our processes much easier, much more simple in order to get a better product into the market. But obviously looking into the future, we will get a new product by the end of the year here into the facility, into Redditch, which will be, I think, exciting news for the market.
One thing I've noticed in your facility is you've got some very young faces here. Tell me a little bit about your apprenticeship scheme.
Yeah, we have continuously run with an apprenticeship program where we year by year engage new apprentices for a 3-year or 4-year long period of apprenticeships. And I think we are trying really recruit our own people out of our own staff to build up for the future the next generation, which obviously the manufacturing needs, not only for our needs, because obviously also for the benefit of our customers here in the UK, because obviously all the machines need servicing as well and need the right background for CNC and 5-axis machining.
Over and above that, Matthias, you've got an established workforce here. Could you tell me a little bit more about how many years some of these people have been here?
Yeah, but not only the young people, we are also able to keep our experienced people here, give them new challenges in the job. And we've got a workforce where quite a lot of people have worked here over 20, 25, 30 years. So it's a very nice mixture of the young generation coming up and obviously the established, knowledgeable, experienced workforce.
2016 is a very important time for the industry with MAC coming up. Can you tell me a little bit more why I should visit your stand at MAC?
Well, we definitely will show one of our showcase products, the CP4000, on this booth. Additionally, we will have also a bit of a surprise for the educational sector, where we will show a very nice machine which actually helps the education and apprenticeship going forward.
And one thing I can say is that you've got a wonderful facility here. It's been a pleasure coming here, but we look forward to coming back to look at your new products possibly.
Oh, thanks very much, and you're obviously welcome to see us, because 2016 will be a year of a lot of changes here in Redditch. As I said, we need to get a new product in. We will build a new flow line, but also, nevertheless, we will change our shape to the customer as well. We will kind of refurbish quite a bit of our facility here, and in order to get ready for the future.
Steve, I'm a UK engineer. I'm looking for a real high-level machine tool. Why should I buy a Hella machine?
Well, Hella machine tools, they've been around for 120 years around the globe, 40 years in the UK, delivering high-end solutions historically to the automotive industry, to medium-duty, heavy-duty solutions into the automotive industry. Least known to the engineers in this country is the solutions we've also delivered into aerospace, oil and gas, yellow goods and mining.
Now, looking at the quality of the machines here in your factory, would I be right in saying that this type of machine is heavy duty, but you buy a Hella machine for a long-term solution?
Yes, without question. If you want a machine that's going to last 2 to 5 years, maybe Hella's not the ideal solution for you. If you're looking for a machine that's going to be with you for 10 to 15 years, then Hella machines are the machines for you.
Now, traditionally, automotive's been your big area. Now, with technology transfer, I presume aerospace, medical is other areas for you?
Yeah, I think the assumption that we are automotive is a common assumption. However, we have got big platform in aerospace, in yellow goods and in oil and gas.
Now, one other thing is your service, your backup. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Oh, it's second to none. The machines that you buy from Hella are supported from here in the UK and also supported from our mother company in Germany. The machines are built here in the UK. That means that spare parts for your machines are readily available here at HUK.
Now, also, in reference to some of the type of companies that you work with, machines like this, not just for OEMs, but also for high-end subcontractors?
But without question, some of our best companies in the UK are the tiers that supply into the industry. Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3.
So if I'm looking for a high-level machine tool, Hella's got to be at least on top of the list.
It was a surprise to me when I joined Hella that we weren't at the top of the list. We are for the OEMs, we are for some of the tiers, as in the Tier 1s, but the Tier 2s, Tier 3s, we should be more of a first choice than we are today.
Steve, there's not many machine tool companies left in the UK manufacturing machines. Tell me why and what advantages does that offer?
Well, for me, the number one thing is if you buy a standalone machine or a full turnkey package, the whole solution comes here from the UK. That comes from the machine first quotation to the engineering content, your tooling package, your cycle times, the NC programming, and all your service and technical support thereafter comes from here in HUK.